Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add a preloader to your WordPress website. So a preloader is basically an animation that runs while your website is loading. And once the website loads, the animation stops and the website is being displayed. So while the website is loading, the visitor cannot see what is being loaded and what is not. The animation plays instead. So a preloader is always a good idea if you have a website that has a lot of images and a lot of things to load. So in this video, I'll show you how to add a preloader to your WordPress website. So let's get started. This is the dashboard of my WordPress website. So let's go over here to plugins and we'll click on add new. And we will use a plugin called Preloader Plus. So let's type that over here. And here we can see the plugin. So let's go ahead and install it. And let's click on activate. Alright, the plugin has been activated, and here we can see on the left side we have a new option called Preloader Plus. So let's click on that. And here's a YouTube video that shows you how to add this to your WordPress website. But let's go ahead and do it ourselves. So let's go to Appearance and click on Customize. And we can already see that the preloader is being displayed over here. And we have one more option over here called Preloader Plus. Let's click on that. And here are all the settings and all those things that you can change in the preloader. So let's go to settings, and there are some general settings. The first one is enable preloader. So you have to first of all enable it to display it on your website. And there's an option where you can just show the preload on the front page, and on all the other pages the preloader won't be displayed. And there's also another option called show the preloader only on the first visit, and you can select any of these options according to your needs. And then here we have the option of changing the position and the visibility of some of these elements. So the first one is the built-in icon. So here we can see when we turn this on, we can see this icon over here. And the next thing is the progress bar. So let me just turn that on, and we can see this progress bar on the top. It goes from the left to the right. And then we have an option of adding custom images. Right now we don't have any custom images added, so we'll take a look at that in a bit. But let's go over here to the next option, which is blog name. So let's turn this on, and here we can see the blog name is being displayed over here when the preloader is running. And then we have the option to add custom content. So let's turn that on, and if you scroll down we can see there's an option to add custom content. So let's just type loading, and here we can see loading is being displayed. Let me just view it once more, and here we can see the blog name and loading displayed over here. And then lastly here we have the option of adding percentage counter. Let's just turn that on and see how it looks. So here you can see the percentage is being displayed over here while it loads. And then we have some options like changing the preloader background color. So you can go ahead and select any color from here. And then we have the preloader text color, so you can change all of these. And you can even go ahead and position this according to your needs. So you can position this anywhere you want. We can see it is being displayed over here. Alright, now let's go back and let's go to typography. And here we can choose the font weight, the font transform, and we have capitalize, uppercase and lowercase. And then we have the option of customizing the percentage counter. We can change the font weight and the font size, and even for the custom content we can change the font weight, the text transform and the font size. Alright, let's go back and let's go to icon or image, and here we can select different icons. So this is the one that is being selected right now. Let's go ahead and check out the other ones. Let's click on the first one, and this is how the first icon looks. So we have a couple of animations over here. You can go ahead and choose any of these. Right, all the animations look fine. Let me just stick with this one right here. And then we have the option of changing the dimensions of the icon. So you can go ahead and change the size of the icons over here in pixels. And then we can add custom images as well. So let's search for an image for the preloader. Here I'm in this website called pixabay.com, and it provides you free images for your websites. So let's search for loading icon, and let's download this one right here. So I'll just click on free download and just select the lowest version over here and click on download. Alright, so let's go back and let's add the image over here. So let's click on select image, and let's go to upload files and click on select files. Now here's the image that we just downloaded. Now this image has a background color of white, so it would be better if you have an image which doesn't have any background color. But for now, let's go ahead and click on open, and let's select this image and let's click on choose image, and our image has been uploaded. And here we can set the size of the image, and we can also set the animation and the animation speed. So let me just go back and turn on the custom image. So let's go to settings, and I'll just click on custom image, and we can see the image is being displayed over here. I'll just get rid of this icon right here. Right now we have just the image and the percentage. I'll also remove the blog name and the custom content. And since the background color of this image is white, let's select the preloader background color as white as well. Right now let's go back and add some animation. So let's go back to icon image, and if you scroll down we can see that we have the option of adding animation. So let's click on that, and let's click on rotation, and we can see that it is being rotated. We can even increase or decrease the speed over here, and I'll just set the size to, let's say, 100 pixels, and it looks alright. Right now let's go back and see what else we can change. Then we have the option of customizing the progress bar. So you can set it to the top or to the middle or at the bottom, and then you can set the height of the progress bar, the width of the progress bar, and the distance from the top or bottom, and you can even select the colors. So we'll just add the progress bar in the middle. So I'll just click on middle over here, and we'll just decrease the width of the progress bar. So I'll just keep it to 200 pixels. Right now we can see this is how it looks. Right now let's go back, and lastly we have animations, and here you can set the animation delay. So this is to set the time after which the animation starts after the end of the page loading, and this is the animation duration. So if you want the animation to happen quickly, then you can decrease the duration over here. I'll just set it to 500. You won't be able to see it correctly over here in the preview. We have to publish it, and we have to open it in our website. And then here you can set the opacity of the preloader animation, and then the direction where it should go after it has animated. So let's select top for now, and let's set the distance to, let's say, 200 pixels. And we can see that after the animation it just went up. You can also go ahead and change the scale. So let me just change it to 0.3. So now we can see that after the animation it goes up, and even the scale has changed. So in this way you can go ahead and experiment with these values. And then we have content animation. Now just like the preloader animations, you can also go ahead and add content animation. So just enable that, and you can add the selector over here and add the animations over here. So after you're done with all the settings, you can go ahead and click on publish, and let's go back to our website and let's refresh our page. And we can see that our preloader is being displayed. And let's go to our post, and even here we have the preloader. Let me just go ahead and remove the animations from here. So I'll just set it to none, and even the scale to 1. Right now let's click on publish once more, and let's refresh the page. And we can see that the animation is being displayed. And that's basically how you add a preloader animation to your WordPress website. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.